In this video, we're going to solve systems of linear equations when I have 3 equations with 3 variables. Now, luckily for us, only the top equation has 3 variables. These two only have a y and a z. That makes these problems so much easier. And in fact, that makes these really the same problem as elimination with one additional step to substitute it into the top one to get your x. So these really are not bad at all. So let's almost just not even pay attention to that top one here. This is exactly what we just did in our elimination video. Solve these for one of the variables by eliminating one. So if I want to eliminate my y, I'm going to multiply this top one here by -7. And I'm going to multiply all 3 terms. So this equation becomes -7y minus 63z equals -504. Okay, now I'm not paying attention to those top 2. These are my equations. My y's cancel. And so now add what's left. 3 plus a -63 becomes -60z. And -36 minus or plus a -504 becomes -540. Divide by -60. And we now know that z equals 9. So this is the first thing we did. So now, just like before, if I didn't have this equation on the top with the 3 variables, plug it back in to get your y. So this kind of looks like the easiest one to me. So I have y plus 9 times z, which we found to be 9, equals 72. So we have y plus 81 equals 72. Subtract 81. And y equals -9. So this was our second thing we did. So now the third thing, and this is exactly what we've been doing, right? This was our elimination. So now the last step is just to now take your 2 variables you have found and plug it into the one with all 3 so you can figure out what the third variable is. So I have x minus y. My y is -9. So minus -9 becomes plus 9. Minus 7 times z, which is 9. And this equals -44. I'm plugging it into this top one here. So x plus 9 minus 63 equals -44. 9 minus 63 is -54. Add 54 over. And x equals 10. When you have 3 variables in their x, y, z, we're going to write our ordered pair in the form of x, y, z. So my x is 10. My y is -9. And my z is +9. Okay, these look more complicated, but because you're never given 3 equations with 3 variables, these are not that bad. You've got the one extra step of finding the third variable.